Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a medication haul, so basically I'm going to be showing you the medications I take, explaining sort of what they do, and if you have had a transplant or are waiting for one, you might recognise some of these medications. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so firstly I have this box here and we keep this downstairs, and this has all my spare medications in it. A few of these medications you can get from a normal pharmacy, but a lot of them you can only get from a hospital. Here we have my toolbox. Just like make the boxes up from these ones, and when these ones run out we go to the basket of spares. So every week, usually my dad will make up my meds and I will just like be there like watching, or I make them up. It really just depends. Yeah, we usually do them every Sunday night. Okay, so in this basket I have all my boxes. See? So this is the box that I use most commonly. So in here it's got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Tuesday is different because I lost the Tuesday container. These things are so hard to like not lose. Like they just get lost so easily, especially when you have to like take them places. And we've got this one. Sometimes I use this one. We've also got this one here, which I don't use unless I'm taking my medications like somewhere for a night or something, because they don't really have enough compartments in this one. Okay, so the first medication I'm going to be showing you is called mycophenolate. This here is mycophenolate. So this is what mycophenolate looks like. I have no idea if you can see that. It's just like a purple thing. It's really hot, you guys. No, actually like salty. Okay. So what mycophenolate does is it's what they call an anti-rejection tablet, and it just stops your body from rejecting your heart. So rejection can happen after any sort of transplant. It's basically where your body recognizes that it's not your own organ and it wants to get rid of it. So what mycophenolate helps do is it helps trick your brain to think that it is your organ. So it's pretty smart actually, it's pretty cool. Next medication I'm going to show you is tacrolimus. And some people call it tacrolimus, but it's tacrolimus. This is what it looks like. They look like little Tic Tacs, so that's exciting. And I just have 2 in the morning and 2 at night. And what tacrolimus does, or people call it tacro, is it's also an anti-rejection medication. So it also does the same thing as mycophenolate. It helps trick your brain to thinking that the organ is yours. The next medication that I take is aspirin. Aspirin is a blood thinner, and people who don't have transplants can also have it. It's just an over-the-counter medication, and like I said, it thins your blood, so it helps. It makes it easier for your heart to pump blood around your body because it's thinner, so it gets through those vessels better. It looks like this, and this is my favorite tablet because it has like little beads in it. It's so cool. You probably can't even see it, but it's pretty cool. The medication I take is diltiazem. This is actually a pretty fun one. My family like to call it a horse tablet because it's like this, so it's pretty big, but I really like it because it reminds me of the ocean, because it's like this deep blue and then this like light blue, and I just love those colors together. That's so cute. What diltiazem does is it treats high blood pressure. So for people like me, I have a higher blood pressure, and it just helps keep your blood pressure at a good pressure. At a good pressure. That's the word. Diltiazem. I have atenolol, and basically what I take is a quarter. You can't even see it, but that's what it looks like. Atenolol does is it helps with migraines. I get migraines, so it basically just prevents prevents migraines. And it also acts as a beta blocker for irregular heartbeats. So I get VT rhythms, or what I call extra beats, which basically just feel like a butterfly in your heart sort of thing. And Atenol helps prevent irregular heartbeats. So that's pretty cool. It's what they call a beta blocker. Okay, so the next medication is Bactrim. And Bactrim is my least favourite medication. So this is what Bactrim looks like. So these are big tablets, but I prefer to take big tablets than sharp tablets. And Bactrim, I'm going to pop one. Sorry, Dad. And I take half on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And that's what half looks like. And if you don't swallow it correctly, sometimes it like goes down that way and it just like scratches your throat the whole way down, which is really not the nicest feeling. So what Bactrim does is it acts like an antibiotic and helps to kill disease. Helps to keep you healthy because, oh, I forgot to mention that with the tacrolimus and the mycophenolate, they also kill your immune system a bit. So you become immune suppressed because of those medications. Because you are immune suppressed, you need Bactrim to help kind of cover all those nasty illnesses that you can get. This is pravastatin, and I take pravastatin at night. I'm gonna pop one. This is probably my like second favorite drug, apart from probably my second favorite medication apart from aspirin, because it's just so cute, and it's usually this pinky color, but it kind of looks white in this lighting. But it's this like pale pink color, and it's so like little and just cute, and I just want to give it a hug every time I swallow it. So that's pravastatin. Okay, the last medication that I take is ZMA, and it's actually a vitamin. So it's a mix of magnesium and zinc. Look at this. It's kind of like the most boring because it's just plain white. But what ZMA does is it helps keep your zinc levels and magnesium levels on a good level. Helps keep your heart strong, and it's just vitamin that anyone could be taking. But I've been told to take it, and a lot of people post-transplant have magnesium instead, but I was on magnesium and the levels were a bit too high for me, so they put me on ZMA, which is a little bit less magnesium and a little bit more even between magnesium and zinc. So, ew. Okay, so another medication that you might be on post-transplant, actually you probably will be on, is this. It's called prednisolone, and basically what this does is it's a steroid, I know, and people go on it not post-transplant as well, like anyone can go on it, and what prednisolone does is it suppresses your immune system. So again, it's you call it an anti-rejection in this case. Drugs are not fun.
I came here with a broken heart that no one else could see. I drew a smile on my face to paper over me, but wounds heal when tears dry and cracks they don't show. So don't be so hard on yourself, no. Let's go back to simplicity. I feel like I've been missing me. Was not who I'm supposed to be. I felt this darkness over me. We all get there eventually. I never knew where I belong, but I was right and you were wrong. Been telling myself all along. Don't be so hard on yourself, though. Learn to forgive, learn to let go. Everyone trips, everyone falls. So don't be so hard on yourself, no. 'Cause I'm just tired of marching on my own. Kind of frail, I feel it in my bones. Won't let my heart turn into stone. So don't be so hard on yourself, no. I'm standing on top of the world, right where I wanna be. So how can this dark cloud keep raining over me? But hearts break and hell's a place that everyone knows. So don't be so hard on yourself, no. Let's go back to simplicity. I feel like I've been missing me. Was not who I'm supposed to be. I felt this